What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, which is none other than the latest and greatest smartphone from OnePlus, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, this bad boy has a lot of cool features at a very cool price. It has, for example, a pop-up selfie camera, 3 rear cameras, and also an in-screen fingerprint reader, all for, guess what, a starting price of just $669. Now, this model right here, this model will set you back $699. This is the Nebula Blue color variant with 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, so not the base model, but guess what, I wanted that blue color, so I had to splurge. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby.
Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO.
So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box right here. As you can see, there's sort of a 7 right there on the front. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro, so it does make sense. OnePlus logo right there. Here on this side, as you can see, it says OnePlus 7 Pro. Here on this side, it says Go Beyond. I'm guessing that says speed, but it's sort of covered up right there. Now let's get to ripping that shrink wrap right off this box right here. Here it goes, and voila, nice and naked. We can take this little red ribbon off. Talks about the OnePlus community right there. And now we should be able to just slide the top off this box. And ooh, look, it's red, the box within a box right there. That's pretty cool. And once we pull this up, let's see, the OnePlus 7 Pro right here. We can just pull this out just like this, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Look at that Nebula Blue right there, folks. That is pretty nice. So let's put this to the side and see what else is in the box before we get started using it. Right here, we got this huge USB-C wall plug that supports OnePlus's Warp Charge for charging this phone super quick, so that's definitely very nice. And right here, we've got the USB-C cable, I believe. So let's pop this out. Yup, here it is. And now we also have this little top box right here that we can open up and see what's inside of this. We've got, ooh, is this a free case that came with the phone? Now, that's pretty cool. We can put that to the side. And right here, we've got an invitation letter. Ooh, let's open this up. And it's a nice little letter from their CEO, Pete. So there that is. Also in here, we have the SIM ejector tool. We have, let's see, some paperwork right here that says Go Beyond Speed, actually. We've also got some more stuff. We've got a little OnePlus sticker right here, as well as a Never Settle sticker, and we got the little safety information paperwork right here. So now let's get the OnePlus 7 Pro all set up and start using it. So now, folks, I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro all set up right here. So first thing we can do is unlock it with that in-screen fingerprint reader with my fingerprint just like that. Now let's take a close look around this device. So down here on the bottom, we've got that USB-C port for charging this device with that Warp Speed 30 fast charging that OnePlus has on this device. We've also got a speaker grill right here, and we've got the little SIM card tray right here. Now, on this side of the phone, we've got a mute switch right here. Watch, you can flip it up, and now it's on silent. Flip it down, now it's on ring. Right here, we've got the power button. That's very important. See, now the screen is off, and now, look, we can unlock it just like that again. Right here, we've got the volume rocker. See, volume up, volume down, right here on that side of the phone. And then over here on the top of the phone, we have that pop-up selfie camera. That is very interesting, but we'll get to that in just a second. And then lastly, here on the back, we have those 3 rear cameras. One is a 48 megapixel normal camera, another is a wide angle camera, and a third is a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens camera. So that is definitely very cool. I really like optical zoom, but usually on smartphones it's only 2x, and this is 3x, so that is very awesome. Right here we've also got a OnePlus logo and the word OnePlus right here. So now let's pop up that selfie camera. So into the camera app we go, and let's flip it around, and oh yeah, there it is. Let's take a selfie. And how do I look, folks? Do I look good? Oh yeah, that doesn't look bad. And you know what? Let's take another one. Cheese. Oh yeah, look at that guy. He looks so happy with his OnePlus 7 Pro with that selfie camera. Let's make it slide up again. Look at that, folks. Look how cool this guy is. And another cool thing about this selfie camera actually is if the phone detects that your phone is falling, apparently the selfie camera is supposed to slide right in. So let's try that right now. I'm a little nervous, but boop. Hey, did you see that? It just slid right in. And look, it says free fall detected. Now that is cool. Okay, should we try it one more time? Okay, here, let's do it right here. Here we go. Ah! Hey, it did it again. That's awesome. Yeah, because you do not want your selfie camera right there getting damaged when your phone falls. So hopefully it can slide in fast enough. I don't know if it can, but as you saw, at least it did slide in right there in that short fall. Now let's head back into the camera app and let's check out those rear cameras because we don't want to leave those guys all sad. So bye, selfie camera. So right here we've got with that wide angle. Let's take a picture of that. Next, we can switch over to standard. That's 1 times. We can take a picture of the Warenotice matte again. And lastly, we can go over to 3 times. That 3 times optical zoom. And we'll have to back up way back. And there it is right there. So there are those pictures for you guys. Now, next one I want to talk about, moving on from the cameras, is actually why this phone has a pop-up camera. That is so it doesn't need to have a notch at the top of the phone like you might see on, for example, the iPhone 10 or the Google Pixel 3 XL or basically a lot of the smartphones these days. So because of that, this phone has this beautiful, what OnePlus calls their fluid AMOLED display, which is actually huge, 6.67 inches big, and guess what else? It has a whopping 90 hertz refresh rate. So this screen right here is a bit of a beast, if I do say so myself. Specs aside, it is quite beautiful to look at, as you guys can see right here, hopefully. And I mean, yeah, but if you want more specs, I can give them to you. It has a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, 516 pixels per inch, and just, yeah, look at this guy. Smooth as can be. So now to further get a sense of how this screen looks and as to how this phone sounds, let's watch a Warenotice video on it, folks.
This beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice, and guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Mophie Juice Pack access case for the iPhone XS Max.
And there that was. Now you got an idea of what video looks like on this phone. Also, those speakers that the audio is coming from, those are actually dual stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos, which is pretty cool. And yeah, with that, folks, I think that's going to be all for this Warenotice video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro in its nebula blue color with 256 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, a bunch of wild specs on this guy. It also has a Snapdragon 855 processor, if I haven't said that already. And yeah, this phone seems pretty cool to me right now. I'm definitely really loving the screen. I also think the selfie camera idea, the pop-up, is pretty cool. Maybe it's a bit gimmicky because, yeah, I guess it could break much easier than a standard camera, but look how cool this looks without a top bezel or without a notch there. It definitely is pretty cool with my first impression. That's my opinion. I like it. And yeah, folks, I'm definitely really liking this screen so far. My only 2 main gripes about this phone that I can think of, at least with my first impressions, are probably the ones you've heard from like all the other tech YouTubers. A, it doesn't support wireless charging. I really love wireless charging, so that makes me sad. So yeah, it's a sad daddy right now. And also, it doesn't have an official IP water resistance rating. OnePlus says that's because apparently it costs them too much to get that rating, but I think that would be worth the money because I want to know like how much water my phone can handle before breaking. I think that's definitely important. But yeah, besides those things, this phone is looking pretty cool, especially for the price. And I mean, for below $700, if you get the very base model, or once again about $700 if you get this one right here, how much can you really complain when all the flagship phones are like $1,000 these days? I don't really know, folks. But yeah, this is a cool guy. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you think about this phone. I love to hear you guys. I do read all the comments, by the way. Obviously, I'm Big Daddy Shane. I've got to. And yeah, thank you folks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome technology videos, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. I do love all my subscribers, so If you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll love you. So, yep, thank you guys for subscribing. Warenotice out with the OnePlus 7 Pro, baby. And you know what? Let's take a selfie on the way out. Watch and learn. Ooh. Hey guys, bye.